Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Discord to Fivem in a simple and easy way. If you run a Fivem server, linking it to Discord can help you manage players, check server status, and even control permissions, all from your Discord server. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set it up yourself without any confusion. So, let's get started. First, open Discord and go to the server where you want to add the Fivem bot. Click on your server name at the top left. From the drop-down menu, select App Directory. In the search bar, type Fivem and press Enter. You'll see different Fivem-related apps, but the one we're focusing on is the Fivem bot that helps monitor your server. Now that you've found the Fivem bot, let's add it to your server. Click on the Fivem bot from the search results. Click the Add App button. A new window will appear asking you to choose a server, select the one you want to connect with Fivem, click Authorize to give the bot the necessary permissions. You may need to complete a CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a bot. Once this is done, the Fivem bot will now be part of your Discord server. Now that the bot is installed, let's check out some useful commands to connect it with your Fivem server. Open any text channel in your Discord server. Type /status and press Enter. This will check if your Fivem server is online. Use /players to see the current player list on your server. Use /ID followed by a player's server ID to get their details. If needed, use /set to manually set your Fivem server IP for the bot. These commands make it super easy to monitor and manage your Fivem server right from Discord. To make sure everything is working, run Fivem and start your server. Go back to Discord and try using /status again. It should show that your server is online. If the bot doesn't respond, make sure it has the right permissions in your Discord settings. And that's it! You've now successfully connected Discord to Fivem and can manage your server with just a few simple commands. I hope this guide helped you learn how to connect Discord to Fivem easily. If you found this useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.